Algebra 1, Unit 2, review problems 10 through 13. These are a little more interesting. Here we have 9 plus the variable x divided by 3 equals 13. We have two things in our way. We have the 9 and we have this ugly divided by 3. Let's begin, because the game is always the same. We want one positive variable on one side. We want everything else on the other side of the equal sign. And you remember, of course, the equal sign stays forever. I'm going to begin by subtracting 9 from each side. That's going to give me x divided by 3 equals 13 minus 9 is positive 4. This divided by 3 thing is ugly. That's also the same as 1/3 x. But how do I get rid of divided by 3? Well, I multiply times 3. That's going to give me 3 times the quantity. X over 3 equals 3 times 4. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so x equals 12. If I want to check, 9 plus some number divided by 3 equals 13. 9 plus, 4 equals 13. And 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So this is absolutely my correct answer. Here we go to problem 11. 14 minus a is equal to 5. I'm just going to add a to each side. Why? Because I don't like the negative a, and because a is just a number, I can do whatever I want with it. That's going to give me 14 is equal to a plus 5. Now I can subtract 5 from each side. 14 minus 5 is 9 equals a, which is the same thing as a equals 9. Check whether I'm right. Is 14 minus 9 equal to 5? Wee doggy, yes it is. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Problem 12, a little more interesting. Negative 7 times the quantity negative 3 plus b is equal to negative 42. Negative 7 times negative 3 is positive 21. Negative 7 times b is negative 7b. That's equal to negative 42. I'm just going to add 7b to each side, because after all, that's just a number. That gives me 21 equals 7b minus 42. Now I can add 42 to both sides. That gives me 63 equals 7b. Divide both sides by 7. 63 divided by 7 is 9 equals b. Saves a lot of time when you know your math facts. First, I added 7b to each side. Next, I added 42 to each side. Finally, I divided each side by 7. Negative 3 plus b. Negative 3 plus 9 is positive 6. Negative 7 times positive 6 is equal to negative 42, so I know I'm right. Problem 13. Negative 4 minus 8n equals negative 100. I'm just going to add 8n to each side. Negative 4 is equal to 8n minus 100. Now I add 100 to each side. That gives me 96 equals 8n. 12 times 8 is 96. Isn't that right? 8 times 12, yep, 96. So n is equal to 12. Everything's simple when you know how to do it.